Hi, I'm Sue Grant from Berthon, and this is Oyster 655 DAENA, which today is in Valencia, a very warm and sunny December day, and we're just going to have a look at her on deck and down below. So here she is 655 number 12 from 2009. Automated rig, looking very, very smart indeed. Nice big passerelle. She's got an Avon with a centre console, as you can see, 25 horsepower Evinrude. She's got some Cooney Simpson davits which look amazing. Gin and tonic seats aft, the life rafts are beneath them. There's one of the twin wheels, you'll see a bit more of those a bit later. She's just had a superstructure and topsides polish, and these decks look as if they've been sanded. They haven't at all, they've just been cleaned, and for the age of the boat they're in terrific condition. So she's got a rig which has had a re-rig 2018 and new paint. She's got North high-tech sails and a lovely cutter rig with Reckman on the Genoa and staysail. The yacht has been relatively little used through life. She's never crossed an ocean. She's been used in the Mediterranean, and this owner is her third owner. He loves her dearly and has had great fun with her, but he's now wanting to buy a larger yacht because of all the friends and family that he enjoys bringing with him. This Bimini spray hood and all the covers are Weathermax. They again are from 2018. She had a refit that cost around about €250,000, and she has been cherished since. We're now going to go in through the cockpit and give you a view of the twin steering positions. This works so well because there's fantastic access into the cockpit. She's got Raymarine instrumentation. She's got bow thruster. She's running on a Perkins 185 horsepower. Relatively few hours, good cockpit upholstery, and here is her cockpit fridge, which has got an eclectic plate. Instruments on the companionway. And now we're going to come down and have a look at the interior. She's got a teak interior. It's a satin finish which looks fabulous, and she's got these teak grooved floors which are in great condition. Big galley, great for in a seaway, gas cooking, microwave, dishwasher. You see she's got this bench seat behind the table which is now in extended position. That's non-standard. Lovely nav area. We've got all the books and manuals out for the yacht having a look. She's European VAT paid, has really good title chain, and here is one of these lovely Oyster switch panels, so easy to understand. And then we're going to walk aft. This is the fourth cabin. This has a single cabin, and the rest, those lockers and beneath the bunk, that's all storage for spares. Very well sorted out. And then into the owner's stateroom, which has a large double access onto the aft deck, which I love. Proper desk, or vanity unit. More storage than you could possibly need, but it's lovely to have. And then she's got this large ensuite, all in faultless condition. Ben from Berthon is helping with this video, so you can see his hands there. The machinery is to port, and we'll come back and have another look at that in a little while. But first, let's go forward. Great light and bright and airy area with the saloon windows, which have ocean air screens. And then here is the port cabin. At the moment, the lower berth is extended, which makes a double as you wish. This is the heads compartment for it, which has a separated shower and a Jack and Jill arrangement, so that this is also the day head when you have lots of people on board for the day and on passage. Then VIP cabin to starboard. These cabins have their own entertainment, lots of storage, big double berth. And again, lovely ensuite heads with separated shower compartment, vacuum flush, freshwater heads, Corian surfaces throughout, and the joinery is in fabulous condition. It really does look good. Floors are perfect and lovely entranceway. And now we'll go back and have a look at the Perkins. It's just here. Forward of it is a 17.5 Onan generator. Here it is, all serviced for the new season. Halyard system, firefighting, lots of installations, so it's very quiet. And then we'll have a quick look in here. And there's one of the air conditioning units. She's also got separated central heating. You can see the drivetrain there. And lovely detailing on this boat, very high spec at build. The more you look at her, the more you see that the first owner really did do a fantastic job in putting her together. And then we'll leave the main saloon and just move back. DAENA Oyster 655, number 12.